So today we are going to see about vulvovaginal lesions. First let's start with vulvovaginal carcinoma. Vulvovaginal carcinoma can be because of human papillomavirus, that is the 16 as well as the 18 strain. But in addition to it, the lichen sclerosis can also cause vulvovaginal carcinoma. What do we know about the human papillomavirus? Human papillomavirus can cause two different conditions. It depends upon the strain. So if it is because of 16 and 18, it causes carcinoma. But if it is because of human papillomavirus 6 or 11, it doesn't cause carcinoma. Instead, it causes something known as Condylomata acuminata. What is Condylomata acuminata? Just this painless warts that we see in the vulvovaginal region, that is known as Condylomata acuminata. So it will be painless warts, and it can be either skin colored or a bit dark colored. So what is the problem with this? When the human papilloma virus 6/11 is present in the vulvovaginal region, and when they are pregnant and when they are delivering a baby, then there are chances that the neonate can acquire it, the HPV, and it can result in laryngeal papillomatosis, which is because of this strain HPV 6 or 11. So there is risk of laryngeal papillomatosis. Okay. What do we know about lichen sclerosis? First, we need to know what does lichen mean. The word lichen means lichenified, thickened, wrinkled, bark-like. This means. So the tree bark like. So that is what is a lichen means. So how will they present with? They will be presenting with this lichen type of a presentation, which will be mostly grey rough patch. Why does this happen? Why does this occur? This is because of chronic irritation. When the irritation can be because of any reason, so it can be because of low estrogen state, or it can be even because of autoimmunity. So whenever we see a patch or a lesion, now our doubt is that it can be because of squamous cell carcinoma. Therefore, the next best step is to rule out squamous cell carcinoma before we proceed to treat lichen sclerosis. So we need to do a biopsy to rule out squamous cell carcinoma. If it is squamous cell carcinoma, then we should proceed to it. But if it is not squamous cell carcinoma and if it is lichen sclerosis, then the treatment is steroids, because to reduce the irritation, and since it also has an autoimmune pathogenesis behind it, the steroids is the best treatment. What do we know about sarcoma botryoides? Sarcoma botryoides is a kind of rhabdomyosarcoma. So here in the sarcoma botryoides condition, they will be having a grape-like lesions which are protruding out of the vagina. So this is mostly a pediatric condition. This is in very brief about these 4 conditions. So this is the bare minimum that you must know for MLE exams. Thank you for listening all this while.